Hello, this is Chiban. Um, um, let's solve this question about fundamental counting principle, making the pin. Okay, so um, let me start the first question. Uh, a 4-digit pin has to be selected from the 7-digit here. The total number of digits is 7 here. So you're making 4-digit pin. Okay, there is different way you can do it. So question number 1 tells you how many 4-digit pin are possible if all 4 digits are the same. So if you have all 4 digits are the same, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So these all are the same. It could be 0, 0, 0, 0. One of those pin could be like this one. Other pin could be 1, 1, 1, 1. It's going to be like this one. So you see there are 4 digits the same going to be. You can have, let's see, you can have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 pin, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 pin, and so on. You have up to 7 pin here. Okay, because you can make up to 6, 6, 6, 6. Similarly, you can make the 6, 6, 6, 6 with the same number with 4-digit pin. So you have 7 pin altogether. Okay, so that's the first question answer. Second question here, for B, no digit can be repeated. So now there's this restriction, you cannot repeat the digit. So now let's do this scenario here. 1, 2, 3, 4-digit pin. But remember that you can put any digit here from 0 to 6. So you can have 7 possible ways you can choose the first digit of this pin. Okay, 7 possible ways, because you can choose 0, you can choose 1, you can choose 2. There is 7 ways you can choose the first digit. And second digit you can choose only 6 ways, because you cannot repeat the digit. So you only have 6 ways you can choose the second digit, since you already choose the first digit. Okay, there is a 6 different way. A third digit, now you can choose the 5 different way, and fourth digit you can choose 4 different way. So if you multiply 6, 7, 5, 4, that's the answer, 840. So you can make 840 different pin using those 7 digits, but you cannot repeat the digit. Okay, so next question is, any digit can be repeated. So let's do part C here. This is the part B. This is the part A, obviously. And the part C, you have to make a pin, 4-digit pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can repeat any digit. So the first digit you have 7 choices. Okay, obviously, because there are 7 digits here you need to choose from. But the second digit, since you can repeat the digit, the second digit you can also choose by 7 different ways. For example, let's say, for example, if you choose 1 here, you could choose 1 as well, because digit can be repeated. So there is 7 ways you can choose second digit. Even third way, you can choose next third digit, and last digit you can choose even 7 ways. You can do all 7 here, which is going to be 7 to the power of 4, and do the calculator. You get how many different ways? Let's see. 2, 4, 0, 1. So for this, this part C, you can make 4-digit pin in 2401 different way. Notice that you can repeat any digit here. Okay, now let's do the next part here. Next part here, if question number 2 here. So you make a 4-digit pin again. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4-digit pin. Let's see how many ways you can choose the first digit. So remember that you must start with the 4. So there is only one digit you can choose is 4 here, so this is the only one way you can choose the first digit. Okay, now second digit, remember that any digit can be repeated, okay, but first digit must be 4. So remember that there is 7 digits in total. Since any digit can be repeated, you can choose the second digit as 7 different way, even third digit at 7 different way, and fourth digit at 7 different way, because any digit can be repeated. If you multiply this 4 using fundamental counting principle, so your total number of possible digit can be 343. Okay, 343 for this question. For B, remember that in this question any digit can be repeated. Okay, so but there is instruction also, you have to be careful with that. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, so must not end with 3. So the last digit cannot be 3, okay, because the part B says must not end with 3. For digit code P must not end with 3. So for the last digit you only have, but remember you can repeat the digit, okay. So this could have 7 way you can choose, because any digit is possible as the first digit. Second digit could be any digit is possible. Third digit could be any digit is possible, but the fourth digit cannot be 3. So you only have 6 choices for the fourth digit, because you cannot use 3 for the last digit, must not end with the 3. So you only have 6 choices for the last digit. You multiply, let's see what you get. You get 2058. Okay, for C, last spot here in the question. Again, you might have repetition in this pin for digit pin, but in the part C you must neither start with the 5, that means you cannot start with the 5 and cannot end with the 5, but you can repeat the digits. So the first choice, you only have 6 choices. Remember that is 7 digits altogether, but you cannot start with the 5, so there is only 6 choices for the first digit and only 6 choices for the last digit, because you cannot end at 5 as well. But for the middle 2 digit, you can use any digit, or you can use any digit as a third digit as well. So you multiply all 3, 6 times 7 times 7 times 6, 6 times 7 times 7 times 6, you get 1764. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you.